Hi guys, I hope this video helps you figure out how to access the Canvas course. I want to focus specifically on English 10 and also how to submit assignments on Canvas. So we're going to pick the class we want. In this case, we want English 10 College Prep. When you're looking at my page, you'll see a couple of key buttons. This is like the one-stop shop for all things you need for English 10. Today's agenda is going to take you to an agenda page. I'll put this in student view. And then the buttons below, the black ones, are going to be links that you'll use every day. So if you're at home, you're always going to need the Zoom link. If you have a question, you can either email me or send me a remind message. And then if you are in-person learning, you're going to need the hall pass to go between different classes. So this button sends me an email directly. This button asks you to sign up for our remind class, which is really important, and essentially you can send me like a text message. But what I want to focus on is the pages for the agenda. Now you can click today's agenda, or you can always click pages in the left-hand toolbar and pick the date. Let's click today's agenda. If you are a distance learner, the very first thing you need to do is the attendance form, and then check out what I'm saying for distance learners down here. In this case, after you complete the attendance form, you can either join us for a live Zoom recap, or you can watch the distance learning recap. Every day, I put up a video that essentially goes over everything we're talking about in class, but you can watch it at your own pace. So maybe you miss class because you have an orthodontist appointment. You're not missing out on any learning because everything you talked about in class is going to be on that button. Maybe you just need a break and you can't stare at another Zoom call. I understand. It's a long day. Instead of jumping into the Zoom, maybe go get a snack or drink some water and then watch the video so you still learn what we're missing or learn what you're missing in class. And then the agenda has the activities that we're going to do. For example, in this class, we're doing a quick reading, doing a reading guide, watching a video to accompany the short story, and then creating some blackout poetry, which is going to be really fun. You can also get to the agenda pages by clicking where it says pages right here in the left-hand button, the left-hand toolbar. And then say you want to you missed class on Thursday. Well, Thursday was the 24th, so you're going to go to 9/24, and you'll be able to see everything we did that day and watch the distance learning recap video. This is going to be really helpful if you are out sick or anything. You can always go back in time and figure out what you missed in class. Similarly, the toolbars here, the Zoom link is also here and the hall pass is also here. Those are the two most used links, whether you're in-person learning or out-of-person learning. The assignments tab is also really important. You click here, you can either sort by date, what is overdue, or sort by type. We haven't had any vocab stuff yet, but we've done a bunch of classwork. And we have our first quiz coming up with the blackout poetry. So let's practice submitting something. I can't do everything because I'm not a student. But if you're going to submit an assignment, you're going to click it, hit the green button where it says Submit Assignment, and then take a shareable link to your document and paste it here. Let's say we're going to complete this activity. We're going to make a copy. That makes it our own, saves it to our Google Drive. We're going to complete the assignment. Then we're going to go up here where it says Share. Now, if you just copy the link, either in this box or in this URL, I cannot see it and I cannot grade it. And I will put zeros in the gradebook. You need to go down here where it says Chained Link to Chariho Regional School District. Then anybody who is at Chariho can see it, which means me. You're going to hit copy. You're going to go back to here. You're going to paste that URL right in the box and hit submit, and then you're done. Now, additionally, you can also get to these assignments by clicking on any of the links in the agenda. So if we're on today's agenda, it'll load. The assignments are all right here. So you want the reading guide, it takes you right there to the assignment, and you can submit it from there. So I hope this overview helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. you'll see the grade book is going to be continuously updated. So just stay on top of that, and I'm sure you'll be great.